welcome back to my channel, guys. You don't know, it's your girl Shooks, the queen of recipe, here with you to share my maple jerk chicken. So this maple jerk chicken is inspired by I am Jamaican living in Canada. So I'll be using the jerk, which is from Jamaica, and the maple syrup, which is from Canada. So I'll be using 100% pure maple syrup. It's a Canada's grade A syrup that I will be using on my chicken, and of course my Walker's Side or Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. So in getting started into this preparation, this is a great one for the Christmas, by the way, guys. Christmas, Thanksgiving, whatever occasion, it is going to be a great one. So I'll be starting off by seasoning my chicken with some of our spices. Okay, so I have some paprika. I'm just gonna apply some paprika. And I'm going to be using my Maggi chicken seasoning. Some black pepper, and I'm just eyeballing these seasoning, guys. Okay, a little bit of garlic powder, and I'm going to be using this garlic salt with parsley. So you see, guys, I'm mixing up my Jamaican seasoning as well with my Canadian seasoning. Lovely. And I'll be adding some minced onion, so now time for our jerk seasoning. We're just gonna rub this in nicely, guys. I'm just gonna put 1 teaspoon for now and see if we need some more. I'll be adding my chopped garlic. If you don't have this one, you can always chop your own garlic, guys. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of my chopped garlic. And we're just gonna combine this together nicely. So guys, I just went to put on my gloves because of the pepper that is in the seasoning, especially the jerk seasoning. Want to turn over your chicken and get all that niceness on the back as well. Looking lovely. We're gonna scrape up all of that niceness that is left on the, like this. We're gonna put it on the inside. We're gonna season the inside lovely as well. Get all of that niceness from underneath and put it on the inside, just like so. Get all that niceness rubbed in, guys. Yes, looking lovely. Isn't that looking lovely? Let's see if we have enough seasoning on the inside. Looks pretty good to me. Yep. But if you look on the inside and you think you want some more, feel free to add some more. But it looks pretty good to me. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna stuff our chicken with some seasoning. So I have 2 stalks of green onion. You just want to crush your green onion just like so. Put that in there. We have some butter. I'm just gonna stuff that in. Some thyme. one pepper, and you just want to burst your pepper just like this and put it up there. I have one onion. Just want to cut that in two and put that up there as well. I'm using a lemon, and I'm cutting my lemon in half, and I'm gonna stick my lemon up there as well. Nice, looking amazing. So I'm just gonna drizzle this with some olive oil now, guys. Let me get these gloves off. So I'm just using this olive oil to drizzle all over our chick. We want to get some on the back as well, so we're gonna flip this big guy over and drizzle. Looking lovely. Oh my god, look at that, guys. So I'm going to add a few cloves also on the inside. Just to get that nice flavor, guys, okay? So I'm just gonna add this amount of cloves, and I'm just gonna put it down in here. This one, is push them down. Yes. Just like that, guys. Okay. So all we're gonna do this now, we're gonna put this on a grill, okay? So if you have an outside grill, you can use that. If it's winter time, I'm gonna pop this guy on a grill like this, and we're gonna put it right side, the back side down, and we're gonna put it back over our baking pan because we want to get all that nice juice to put on top as well, okay? So the wing, I'm just going to tuck the wing under like this because it tends to burn quicker than anything else. So I'm tucking the wing under like so, and I'm just gonna, if you have a string, you can probably tie this up like this, guys. I probably will tie this before I put it in the oven, but yes, that is basically it, guys. It is looking amazing already. I am going to add my maple syrup later on, you'll see that part, but now we're gonna pop this in the oven at 450 degrees, and we're gonna leave this until it is looking nice. Then we're gonna take it out, we're gonna make our maple sauce, and we're gonna apply that to our chicken. If you are liking this video, hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think about my maple jerk chicken. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscription button. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, my people, so this is our chicken. I pulled it from the oven. So what we're gonna do now, we are gonna prepare our sauce. We're gonna put our sauce over our chicken, and then we are gonna pop it back in the oven for like 10 to 15 more minutes. So the first thing we're gonna add is our maple syrup. And I'm adding just like a quarter bottle of this. I'm gonna add some ketchup, about 3 teaspoons or 3 tablespoons of ketchup. I'll be adding some malt vinegar, just like 1 tablespoon. And let's combine this together. I'm gonna add just a little dupes of soy sauce, just for some color as well. And we're gonna whip this up together nicely. Nice, look at that, looking lovely. So I'm gonna do a double glaze. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put this mixture all over our chicken. You can just throw it on because you have the plate under the bottom, or you can brush it on. Just get it fully coated, okay? Looking absolutely amazing. Lovely. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna pop this back in the oven for like 10 minutes, and then I'm going to take it back out and I'm going to recoat with another coat of my maple syrup mix, okay?